Ah, the mystical asking price, a number carefully chosen in the sacred halls of real estate divination. Forget logic. The asking price is the secret handshake to the land of eternal appreciation. So strap on your rose-tinted glasses and embark on this fantastical journey where the number on paper is sometimes as whimsical as a fairy tale and occasionally not even grounded in reality. Today's question is, what is the difference between the list price and a sale price? All right, let me switch to a different screen. Hey everyone, welcome to Real Estate Unlocked, your questions, our answers. On this channel, we talk about the insider secrets every home seller needs to know. And today's secret is all about pricing strategy when you sell your home and how to know how to price your home. We have a question here from Jason, and his question is, what is the difference between list price and a sale price? Well, the list price is the asking price. And that's the price where your home is listed similar to the MSRP of a car. The sale price is what it actually sold for. In other words, the price the buyer negotiated with you. So when we hear that a house sold for X dollars above list price, that means that the house was listed for one price, but sold for a different price, just like a car. But why are we talking about this? Because I want to give you a pricing strategy that can benefit your bottom line. Let me throw some numbers on the screen here for you. Let's say that you'd like to sell your house at fair market value, $800,000. You're realistic, but hopefully, man, you would love to get $850,000. So we want to list the property at 800,000 so that we can catch people looking in a range that's under 800,000 but would still be willing to go over that. Now then, what happens if you list your home below fair market value? Let's say it's 760. Scary, right? But what will happen is you're likely to get a lot more attention on your home, and because you'll now have more buyers looking, you're much more likely to get a higher sales price. This is a strategy that we use often because not only will you always get fair market value no matter what, but the urgency that we create can often create an increase for your bottom line. Well, that's your tip for today. Thank you for joining Real Estate Unlocked, your questions, our answers. My name is Remy, like Do Remy. I'm an award-winning designer, a best-selling author, and a top-producing real estate agent who's worked across 4 states. If you have a question for the team about the escrow process, what repairs or upgrades to do before selling your home, and what not to do, staging, tips for selling your home quickly, or how to put more Do Re Mi in your pocket when you sell your home, we are standing by. Simply leave your question in the comments section or contact us through the email address below, and we'll get you an answer typically within 24 hours or better. We look forward to chatting with you soon, and thank you for clicking on that subscribe button below the video.